Hello, good morning children. So, in the last class I told you lesson 2 Dhyan Chand lesson. Have you all listened to the video? Okay ma, textbook. Have you all practiced the textbook reading? I posted the textbook in your WhatsApp group and I told that lesson 2, lesson 1 completed and lesson 2 completed and one poem also I told you. Okay ma, if you have any doubt you revise to the past videos. Okay. Now, in this class I want to give you lesson 2 notes. Okay. Open your books and write the notes. Better you write in rough book, later you can copy down the notes in the classwork. Okay. Now, just you learn while I am writing. Learn, నేర్చుకోండి ఇప్పుడు first. Okay. Okay. Lesson 2. What is our lesson 2 name? The Wizard of Hockey. Write down first the heading. First the heading. Lesson 2. The Wizard of Hockey. New words. New words. First one, tournament. Hockey tournament. Tournament means the hockey tournaments means in terms they will play. Okay, first tournament, second tournament, like that. Tournament. 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 So, while reading, read the letters what I am telling and copy down. Okay. Next. Second one, frequently. 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 Next. Third one, practiced. 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 So, why I underline the sets, you understood? You have to read the words, derive the words like that, derive the letters like that and write down. Okay. Next, excellent. 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 Okay. Fifth one, promotion. 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 Sixth one, awards. 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 Next. Seventh one, immediately. 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 Okay. Very good. Write down. Are you all practicing the handwriting? Okay. If you write continuously, you will be thorough with the good handwriting. Next. Position. 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 Ninth one, profession. PROFESSION. 10th one, Commemorative. C-O-M-M-E-M-O-R-A-T-I-V-E. C-O-M-M-E-M-O-R-A-T-I-V-E. Commemorative. Okay? Once all of you read the words or take a screenshot or pause the video and you can write that. Okay? Next, meanings. Write down. Heading meanings. Meanings. First meaning, infantry, a branch of the army that fights on foot. Infantry. All of you write heading meanings. Fold the page to the middle. And write down infantry. What is the meaning of infantry? Fold the paper to the middle. A branch of the army that fights on foot. Second one, transferred. What is the meaning of transferred? Moved from one place to another. Transferred. Moved from one place to another. Next, regiment, a large group of soldiers. Regiment, a large group of soldiers. What is the meaning of regiment? A large group of soldiers. Okay? Copy down these three meanings. Fourth meaning, opponents. Players in the opposite team. Abstract. Surprised. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D. Surprised. Seventh one, limelight. Focus on public attention. Sixth one, limelight. Focus on public attention. Okay? 6 meanings. 10 new words, 6 meanings. All of you read well. Okay? Next, opposites. Copy down, take a photo or pause the video and write. Next, opposites. First one, after, before. Fold the paper to the middle and all intos must come in one line. Second one, pull, push. Third one, ordinary, special. Ordinary, special. Fourth one, believable, unbelievable. Believable, unbelievable. Fifth one, common, uncommon. Sixth one, honor, dishonor. Seventh one, active, lazy. Okay, active, lazy. Active, lazy. Okay, seventh one I will write on that side. Here it is not visible. Seventh one, active, lazy. Once all of you repeat the opposites after me. After, before. After, before. Pull, push. Ordinary, special. Believable, unbelievable. Common, uncommon. Honor, dishonor. Active, lazy. Okay, take a screenshot or pause the video and note down. Okay, next, tenses. Tenses. Present tense, past tense, past participle. Present tense, past participle. First one, win, won, won. Second one, teach, taught, taught. Celebrate, celebrate, celebrated, celebrated. Think, thought, thought. Fourth one, think, thought, thought. Think, thought, think, thought, thought. So once I want to repeat. So once again I want to repeat. First one, win, won, won. Second one, teach, taught, taught. Celebrate, celebrated, celebrated. Think, thought, thought. Okay, ma? Okay, copy down this. Pause the video and write. or take a screenshot, and later from photos you can copy down. Okay. Next, degrees. Degrees. Okay, 4 I told tenses. 3 more are there. Copy down that 3 also. Inka 3 unnayamma. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tenses are there. Afterwards I will tell degrees. Okay. 5th one, do, did, done. Do, did, done. Sixth one, stop, stop, stop. Seventh one, begin, began, begun. Okay? Copy down. Once again, do, did, done. Stop, stopped, stopped. Begin, began, begun. Okay? Okay. Next, degrees. Small, smaller, smallest. Excellent, more excellent, most excellent. Wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. Great, greater, greatest. These 3 I will write. You please copy down. Degrees, positive, comparative, superlative. Positive, comparative, superlative. First one, small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Okay. Next, second one, great, greater, greatest. Great, greater, greatest. Right. Great, greater, greatest. Next, third one, excellent. So it depends on the quality. So excellent is the quality. So for that you have to write more excellent, most excellent, more excellent, most excellent. Fourth one, wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. Okay, copy down this 4. Okay. So today in this class I gave you lesson 2 notes, new words, meanings, opposites, tenses and degrees. Okay. So I will tell you the question and answers orally. I won't write. Later I will post this question and answers in your WhatsApp group, class group, so that you can learn well. Okay ma? So just I will read the question and I will tell the meaning of that answer. First question, which sport did Dhyan enjoy when he was younger? So first he didn't like hockey. First Dhyan Chand liked wrestling. Okay. Later his guru Major Bole Tiwari encouraged him to play hockey. First he liked wrestling. Okay, Dhyan Chand enjoyed wrestling when he was younger. So wrestling spelling, tell me. W-R-E-S-T-L-I-N-G, wrestling. Okay, while writing the answers you please repeat the spellings and write slowly. Okay, next second question. Why is the beginning of Dhyan Chand's hockey career described as ordinary? So first anta enduku chaala samanyanga modalu pettadu ఆయన కెరియర్ ని. The beginning of Dhyan Chand's hockey career is described as ordinary because he and his friends used to play hockey for fun. So they won't play the game seriously, they used to play for fun. Later he became the wizard of hockey. How great he is. Next, who first encouraged Dhyan Chand to play hockey seriously? Subedar Major Bhole Tiwari, who saw Dhyan Chand's talent and encouraged him to play hockey seriously. Or simply you can tell that Subedar Major Bhole Tiwari encouraged Dhyan Chand to play hockey. Clear? Okay, next fourth question. How long did Dhyan Chand's international hockey career last? At how many Olympics he win a gold medal? Dhyan Chand's international hockey career lasted 22 years. So 22 years he played hockey. He and his team won gold medals in 3 Olympic games. So in how many Olympic games he won the gold medal? In 3 Olympic games. Okay, next fifth question. What nickname did Dhyan Chand earn at Berlin? So at Berlin Olympics were held, no? So at that time he got a nickname. What is that name? Dhyan Chand earned the nickname Hockey Wizard at Berlin. Okay, next sixth question. Why did the newspaper announce that there was a magic show at the Olympic complex? The newspaper announced that there was a magic show at the Olympic Games because of the skill Dhyan Chand displayed while playing hockey. So he played hockey very well. So one newspaper announced that one magic show is going to happen today in Olympic show, like that they announced. Next, why did Dhyan Chand's schooling suffer? Enduku ayana oke school lo undalekapoyadu? Because his father used to get transfers from one place to another place. Dhyan Chand's schooling suffered because his family had to move to the different places and where his father was transferred on duty. He had to keep changing schools. Okay, that's why his education was disturbed. Next, eighth question. What did Dhyan Chand's opponents think when they first saw his skill with the hockey stick? When they first saw his skill with the hockey stick. So opponents ante the players who were playing in the opposite team. What they thought? When his opponents saw how Dhyan Chand controlled the ball with his hockey stick, they thought it was cheating. So ayana evana cheating chestunaremo anani anukunevallu anamata. Okay, these 8 questions I will post in your class WhatsApp group so that it will be easy for you to note down and to learn. Okay, learn well and enough for today children. Take care. Bye ma.